Here at Wall Street Wooly, what is travel insurance? Travel insurance is a type of insurance that helps cover financial losses associated with traveling. It can be used to protect against unforeseen events such as illness, flight delays, accidents, etc. before or during domestic or international trips. Travel insurance can cover a range of events, such as trip cancellation or interruption, lost or stolen baggage, flight delays or cancellation, medical procedures or evacuation, accidental death coverage, and more. The price of travel insurance varies greatly based on what is covered, the total trip cost and duration, destination, people's ages, etc. However, it usually costs between 4 and 8% of a trip's total price. So for a $5,000 vacation, travel insurance would cost between $200 and $400. What is covered by travel insurance? Trip cancellation is the most common type of travel insurance. This covers prepaid, non-refundable costs of your trip if you had to cancel it before the trip starts for a covered reason, such as a medical emergency, job loss, flight cancellation, etc. There is a special type of trip cancellation add-on called CFAR, or Cancel for Any Reason. This refunds 50 to 75% of the trip cost for cancellation due to any reason. Because of the flexibility it offers, it's quite expensive. Trip interruption covers financial losses if you have to cut your trip short for a covered reason. It reimburses any unused portion of your trip, such as hotel stays or any fees associated with rebooking your flights. While the coverage can vary widely, most travel insurance policies also include medical emergencies or evacuation coverage, as well as lost, damaged, or delayed baggage coverage. What is not covered by travel insurance? While exclusions vary based on the coverage chosen, in general, most policies won't cover pre-existing illnesses, known or foreseeable events, civil unrest, government warnings, travel advisories, etc. There might also be conditional coverage or limits. For instance, a policy may only cover $500 per stolen bag, irrespective of the value of the goods stolen. Also, you might need to report the loss or theft to the police before filing the claim. For delayed bags, the policy may provide reimbursement for buying necessities up to a certain limit, but only if you provide receipts. Some policies may also require you to pay a deductible before covering your claim. How does travel insurance work? Travel insurance can be purchased online from travel agents or other sources. It needs to be purchased before the trip and before any unforeseen event occurs. For instance, you cannot buy travel insurance after your destination is hit by a hurricane and you can no longer travel. In order to get money from your insurance, you have to file a claim by submitting proof of what happened. The company then reviews your claim, and if approved, you are reimbursed based on your policy's coverage. Thank you very much, Wall Street Wooly. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.